Hello, my sixth grade students. This is Miss Brannick back again. This week, I hope you're having a okay time. I hope you're hanging in there. Thanks for watching this video. Today, my students, I want you to look carefully at your vocabulary, and this says, please write down all vocabulary words in your math notebook. So if you're at home and you need your notebook, please let the office know. I'll be glad to bring that to you. But those are your vocabulary words for the week. There are 6 words. So if you want to break that into chunks and do, a couple a day, that's perfectly fine. Or if you want to just knock it all out and put that in your notebook. That is something that we are doing in class as well, but we are breaking it into parts. So let's go on to today's bell ringer. It says, list all the factors of 46. So remember, we start with our broadest pair. So 1 and 46, 2 and 23. Because we have 2 prime numbers in the same factor pair row, we know we found them all. But 46 itself is composite. And I know this because, so we have that I spelled it wrong. Composite, IKTB. That means I know this because 46 has more than 2 factors. If I had exactly 2, it would be prime. And then true or false, every Fun Friday is guaranteed for every student. That is false. That is something that students have to earn. Students can earn Fun Friday by doing their work and following the rules. It's not one strike you're out or anything like that, but consistently not following those rules will potentially cost you to not be able to do Fun Friday. Students that are absent, that don't do their makeup work, students that are in class and don't do their assignments, that would be something that you would lose Fun Friday for. Now I'd like for us to scooch on down and take a look at the rest of our assignment. I am going to lump this into one big old video, so hopefully you can manage and won't get, that won't be that big a deal to watch it. So it says, read these notes carefully. I would like for you to go back and read these. It just tells us greatest means largest or biggest. Common. If you and I have something in common, that means that we like the same thing. It's alike. It's the same. So common, alike. And then factor. It's the small number that goes into to make the larger number. Okay. And it has some examples here. The factors of 4, 1, 2, and 4. The factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, and 10. Notice that they have common factors, 1 and 2. These are common factors. But of the 2, 2 is the largest, so 2 is the greatest common factor. Greatest means biggest, common alike, and factor means numbers that divide. Take a look. 18 and 72 have lots of common factors. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 are the factors of 18. It's written down here at the bottom. You might need to zoom in on that. And 72, the factors of 72, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, and 72. That's a lot of factors. Look at the ones they have in common. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. What is the largest? What is the greatest? 18. So 18 is the greatest common factor. So then what you're going to do is you're going to answer this thing. What does GCF stand for? Greatest, common, and factor. And then over here, you're going to find the GCF of 10 and 15. So the GCF of 10 and 15, if you look at their factors, and you might write that out on a piece of paper or something, is 5. And I know this because the factors of 10, and I'm going to make a little factors of 10. I'll just make a little text box. You can draw the horseshoe if that's something that you like to use that we've done in class, or if you don't know what I'm talking about, then maybe you've not been in class, and that's okay. But you can make a list. 1, 2, 5, and 10. Those are the factors of 10. And then look at the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5, and 15. And you just put the answer, whatever their GCF is, over here in the GCF column. We see that on here, they have a common factor of 1 and 5. So which one's the greatest? 5. So 5 is our GCF. I hope that makes sense. Greatest common factor. Now I want you to look at your exit slip for today. What is the greatest common factor of 16 and 24? So just like I showed you how to make that list, maybe you make that list here, and then how do you know? How do you know the number that you found was the GCF of 16 and 24? Make sure you have a completed list of factors. Don't stop. Keep going until you run into yourself and know that you found them all. I hope that makes sense. I hope you have a blessed day. Please, if you have any questions, reach out. I'll be glad to help you if you give me the password Zeus. Zeus is my dog. So if you would like to know, if you like some extra help, I'll be glad to help you. But thanks for watching this video. Come on.